So welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. My saw blades finally came in this week, so I can continue with my sawing of logs for the cabin. Um, it was raining all week pretty well, so I couldn't have done much anyways with the logs. But now it's time to get our blades changed, and we'll start sawing. I have to wear gloves when I'm working with these blades. They're extremely sharp, and when they come undone, they could really do some damage. So welcome back this morning. I started filming yesterday. I was going to start sawing wood, and I went to put my new blades on one of them, and of course, wouldn't you know it, they sent the wrong size. We gave them the size of the sawmill, blade size, everything else, and they still shipped the wrong blades. So unfortunately, we'll have to get in contact with them on Monday and get them shipped back and get the right blade shipped out. But in the afternoon, the guy that I sent my blades to get them sharpened gave me a call and said that they were ready. He had them all sharpened, so it worked out in the long run anyhow. So I've got a sharpened blade on now, and I got a log up on here to saw. These logs, like on that end is about 10 inches, this end is about 8 inches, so I split the difference with a shim, and that way when I flip it over, I'm not taking all my cut off of one end. Otherwise I'd end up with a 2-inch nothing here and 2 inches on that end. So that's why I shim them up, and to get the most out of the log. So I'm going to be milling this one to 6 inches in here. It'll be 6 inches wide this way, and then I'll mill it to 7 inches the other way, and that'll make a shorter log for the cabin. So time to get sawing. So we got about 4 logs cut up today with everything. So we'll keep going with that, and once we get a stockpile, then we'll start on the cabin again. So anyhow, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye for now.